how to enable direct messages on TikTok. So if you want to enable direct messages, like if you're not being able to message someone, then first of all open up your TikTok. So let me tell you one thing, that if you're not above the age of 16, then you won't have that message option. So you can't simply message, or you can't chat with anyone. So that is one of the TikTok's rule. So if you're not the age of above 16, then you won't have that direct message option. So that's one thing. And if you're at the age of above 16, and if you're not being able to message someone, then the first thing you need to do is you have to wait. So sometimes if you have messaged excessively, then TikTok might freeze your account for 24 hours. So after 24 hours, your account will be unfreezed, or your direct messages option will be available. So just wait for 24 hours, and even after waiting for 24 hours, if you don't fix that problem, then you need to simply go back and then go for your settings and open up your apps and notifications, and then go for see all apps and search for TikTok. And after opening your TikTok, now you can go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache, and you have to clear all of that cache. And even after clearing your cache, if you don't fix that problem, then the last way is to check that if your app needs an update. So first open up your Play Store and then go for TikTok. And after searching for TikTok, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your TikTok application. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.